changed the mood. I changed the background of you. You underrated, but you move different. Still picky when you choose. Instagram is only food. Never press for the juice. They turning 5s to a 2.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle, and today I'm going to be doing this really pretty neutral eye bold purple lip. This is one of my favorite looks to do when I want to go out with my girlfriends and I want to, you know, do my face up but not a crazy eye. I want the attention to be just on my lips. So this is the tutorial that I did today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, please like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that so we can, you know, get some more tutorials coming, okay? And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I took out my weave and I'm letting my natural hair breathe. Yes, sis. And so if you guys have any questions about any hair videos, I would love to do some. Comment that below. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows done and my face primed. I'm going in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer on both of my eyes. I'm going to take a small brush and blend out that primer so my eyeshadows can stick longer. Then I'm going in with that flesh tone color in my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going in to my crease and blending that out with windshield wiper motions. Then, as you can see, I'm trying to decide which color I'm going to use, but I decided on that reddish color. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend that on top of that flesh toned color that I used previously and blend that out. Now I'm going in with another Morphe fluffy brush and taking the darkest color in that palette and blending that with into my outer V, not all the way into the crease. Then I'm going to go in with that really pretty neutral color and take that on my lid. I want my eyes to be very neutral because the focus is going to be the lips. Then I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and just blend out all those colors to prevent any harsh lines. Then I'm going to go in with another brush under my eyebrows and highlight under my brow with a neutral color. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeliner. And I'm not doing a wing liner, but I'm just doing a simple liner for this look. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline mascara, and I'm running that under my lashes to prep for the lashes I'm going to use in a few. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty and my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to mix those two colors together and place dots all over my face to blend out, well, to prepare to blend out with my Morphe beauty blender. I love this beauty blender, you guys. It's so soft when it's wet and it really like spreads the foundation, you guys. It's awesome. And I'm taking that all over my face, just blending it out. I like mixing the colors together because it gives a really perfect color for me. Now I'm going to brush out my eyebrows because for some reason my eyebrows, I think I need to get them done. They don't look great. Going in with the NARS Radiant Concealer. I really like this concealer, you guys. It's really creamy and it spreads really good. And I'm just taking it under my eyes. I'm going to push my nose aside because I want to get really into the corners of my nose. Taking it down my nose on top of my forehead and on my chin. And I'm going to go back in with the pointy side with my beauty blender and just spread that all the way out. And as you can see, I'm just blending for my Lyyfe. Lyyfe, Giselle? Really? Lyyfe. And I'm going to blend out my nose and my forehead, and I'm going to blend on my chin. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to choose that light brown contour because I want this to really be light, but the focus will be on the lips, and blend out under my ear, or no, under my cheekbone, excuse me, on top of my forehead, and bring that down my nose, the sides of my nose, as you can see. I'm going to go in with my Mack powder and just set my concealer that I used previously to give it a more smooth look. Take that under my other eye, under my nose. Take it on top of my forehead and down my nose. And then I'm going to also take it on my chin. And wink at you guys because I'm cute. I'm just a flirt, you guys. Then I'm going to go in with my Sascha Buttercup powder and use another beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and just put that under my eyes. Everywhere where I set that Mack powder, I'm going to also set with my Sascha Buttercup. And just bake for a few moments, not too long. I don't like to bake for super long time. And I'm going to carve out my cheekbones by running that beauty blender right below that contour. I'm chewing the heck out of that gum. But I'm also going in with my NYX powder. This is the powder I'm setting my contour with. I use this powder very lightly, you guys, because it is very pigmented. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brush and just dust off that Sascha Buttercup that I used previously. And just blend that out. Blend for my life, as you can see. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, you guys. I'm telling y'all to buy this because it is bomb. Okay? Bomb. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Look at that highlight. And it's like $10. Go buy that, please. Thank you. But I'm taking it on top of my cheekbones, on my nose, down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to take another brush and just loosen up that highlighter, I guess you could say. Now for the star of the show, I'm going in with my Colourpop lip gloss, but I do not remember the name of it, but it will be in the description box below. And I'm going in with my Mack lip old lady and just mix those two colors together to create that really pretty purple color. And I am done. Isn't that so pretty, you guys? I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time. Bye.